I am the one person who is still keeping that culture alive. I am remodeling the typewriters and I am still repairing them and keeping that culture alive. It was started by my late father and my uncle, because at the time when we were into typewriters, people never used typewriters, everything was done manually, but gradually people started using typewriters. The typewriters were going great guns. Some of the government offices are there, still they are relying on typewriter because this is something which is foolproof. Every typewriter has got a unique typeface and a unique style which cannot be copied by any of the typewriters, which are title deep, typed about 100 years back, cannot be corrected now or cannot be altered now. Whereas if it is done on a computer, anybody can alter it, anybody can retype it on a computer. As we are in the trade for the last 6 years, we've got an ample stock of typewriter spare parts. Plus, we've got trained technicians who are with us for the last many years and who know the typewriter in and out, and they can remold a typewriter, repair a typewriter, any kind, any make of a typewriter. We get typewriters for repairs from all over India. And there are a few companies in Bombay who are in the same trade as we are, but number of people just you can count on your fingers now.
मेरा नाम अमर सिंह है और मैं टाइपिस्ट हूँ, डॉक्यूमेंट वगैरह बनाता हूँ। नहीं, इसमें ज़्यादा काम नहीं है क्योंकि आप काम है ना बिल्कुल ख़त्म हो चुका है, ना के बराबर है। हफ्ते में 5 दिन, मंडे टू फ्राइडे। यहाँ पर जितना भी काम है वो सारा प्रॉपर्टी से रिलेटेड है, सेल परचेज ट्रांसफ़र। आजकल तो ऑनलाइन हो चुका है सब जगह, तो ऑनलाइन कर लेते हैं।
Computer is something which is a lifeless thing, and you don't have any feel when you are working on a computer. But on a typewriter, you feel that you are interacting with a lively object which responds to your touch, and it's something very rhythmatic feeling you have, which it is always missing on a computer. My chartered accountant has said it's better to use it on a computer, but I still prefer a typewriter only for the reason that it is something which is I am emotionally attached with it.